Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about using hooks. The power of narration in the first 3 seconds. Nailing a 3-second hook requires immediate strategic engagement that combines verbal, visual, and textual elements to stop the scroll. Goal is to thin slice the audience's attention by triggering curiosity, emotion, or tension instantly, using storytelling techniques that feel personal and immediate. Now here are a few methods that you can try. To leverage the power of narration in the first 3 seconds. The first thing that you can try is adding a middle of action hook. For this, you can add a high stakes scene rather than setting up a story, which basically means adding something in the story that is really exciting, and will keep the viewers watching. This means adding one part of the video in the beginning which is really exciting, which will keep the viewers watching. Second thing that you can try is the contradiction or pattern interrupts hook. In this, you can try to challenge a common belief. Or state something contradictory to grab attention through confusion. This breaks the typical type of pattern and predictable content. The third thing that you can try is the confession method. In this, you're going to make the audience feel like they are hearing a secret or a raw confession. This can be a hook like what they don't tell you about making 10K a month. This triggers fear of missing out and a desire for exclusive knowledge. The fourth thing that you can try is the visual plus auditory compound hook. In this, you can try combining a strong verbal statement with a striking visual hook within 1 to 2 seconds to engage multiple senses. This is why this works. Visuals are processed faster than text, creating instant involuntary attention. Keep in mind to be specific, front-load emotions, avoid introductions, and focus on transformation. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.